Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Chef Hizzie Kitchen. Ramadan Mubarak. Hope your fasting is going well. So this is going to be the fastest recipe of spring rolls, samosas and pocket shape samosas. So note it down and let's start the recipe. Add 1 kg boneless chicken and make it fry with 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Then add some spices of your choice like paprika powder, onion powder, red chili flakes, white pepper, black pepper, paprika powder and whatever you like. Then add some sauces, vinegar, soy sauce, chili sauce and chili garlic sauce, 3 tablespoons. Mix it up and add it in chicken and heat the chicken for 10 to 20 minutes to make it juicy and flavorful. Now add grated vegetables like cabbage, carrot and capsicum. Then add some spices like red chili flakes, red chili powder, paprika powder, oregano, black pepper powder, salt, chicken powder, turmeric and white pepper powder. These are the spices I have added in 2 tablespoons. Now mix it well and then add some sauces like 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 3 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 4 to 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 3 to 4 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce, and then mix it well and add it in vegetables and heat for 2 to 3 minutes and your mixture is ready. You can also freeze these vegetables in airtight bag. You can store these vegetables for 30 days. Now take a cup and add half cup of water and 4 to 5 tablespoons of flour in it and mix it well. To make these samosas stick well, or you can use corn flour or egg instead of using flour. It will be even stickier. Now you can see that how I'm making a smaller triangle and then bigger one, and then on repeat. Brush it up again to make it stick well. Now fill it up with vegetable and chicken mixture. Now brush it with flour paste again. Now you can see that how perfect shape it is. Let's try another method. Make a smaller triangle, then hold it in hand like this and fill it up with mixture. Brush it up to make it stick. Now you can see that this is the easier one. Let me know in comment section that which is the easier method to make the samosas. Now I am trying another shape. It would be a lollipop shape or pocket square shape, whatever you want to name it. Look at this. If you guys are liking my recipes, then share it up with your friends and families. If you want a detailed recipe, you can check out my YouTube channel. If you want some more recipes like this, let me know in comment section. So now you can see that I'm removing the extra part and look at this cute lollipop shape samosas. Let's try out another method. This will be the easier one. Brush up the 4 sides and fold with left, right, right and then left. Let's try some spring rolls. So this is a mistake that we all do while making spring rolls. So do not do this. This is the easier method to make spring rolls. Brush it up with flour paste well so that it stick well, and do not open while frying. Look at this cute shape. So let's try another method and you will see the difference between the two methods. Brush up well so that they do not open while frying. Look at the difference, the flatter one and the bulging one. Look at these cute shapes. If you like my recipe, follow it up and show some love in comment section. So we will meet in another recipe very soon. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz, Ramadan Mubarak, and remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.